Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best Taurus 3-ring saw is probably one of the most versatile and powerful tools a serious crafter or DIY enthusiast could add to their workshop, offering unparalleled precision for intricate cuts on a wide variety of materials including glass, tile, and even metal, making it an indispensable asset for projects demanding accuracy and a clean finish that other saws simply cannot achieve, thus elevating your creative potential to new heights. Number 5. HYCHIKA 6.2A Mini Circular Saw. Introducing the HYCHIKA 6.2A Mini Circular Saw, designed for powerful performance in a compact size. Its robust motor delivers high-speed cutting for various materials. This tool comes with 3 specialized blades, 2 for wood and 1 for plastic and soft metals. Effortlessly switch between them to tackle diverse projects with precision. Achieve perfectly straight cuts with the integrated scale ruler. Plus, maintain a clean workspace with the convenient dust collection system. Customize your cuts with adjustable bevel angles from 0 to 45 degrees and precise depth control. It meets all your versatile cutting needs with ease. Experience enhanced safety with its double protection switch, preventing accidental starts. The ergonomic rubber handle ensures a comfortable grip, reducing fatigue during extended use. This package includes the mini circular saw, multiple blades, adapters, and essential accessories. Everything you need to get started right away. What we like. This compact saw boasts a powerful 6.2 amp motor for high-speed cutting. With 3 included blades, it handles wood, plastic, and soft metals with ease. If you need a versatile, portable saw for various DIY projects and material types, this is a great choice. What people say. It comes with 3 different blades, which is super handy, and he said the rubber handle makes it really comfortable to use for longer projects. As per the specs, comes with a powerful 750W 6.2 amps copper motor, delivers full-size performance at 3,500 revolutions per minute high cutting speed. It cuts through wood, plastic, gypsum board, PVC pipes and ceramic tiles with ease. Included in the box are 6 blades, 2 24T TCT blades, 4.92-inch, for wood cuts, 2 60T HSS blades, 4.5, for plastic and soft metal cuts, 2 PCS grit diamond blades, 4.5, comes with a 10-foot cord, has a laser beam and scale ruler attachment for precise cuts. I really like the laser guide which I follow to make a nice accurate cut. They have some different hose adapters so you can connect it to a shop vac so you don't throw dust all over the room. Another nice thing is that the cord is extra long, a few saws I have the cord is much shorter. I believe the cord is 10 feet long. Number 4. Gemini Taurus 3-Diamond Ring Saw. Introducing the Gemini Taurus 3-Diamond Ring Saw. Experience powerful and precise cutting for a wide range of materials. It features a spacious 17.34 by 16 work surface, offering ample room for your projects. The throat depth is 5.58 inches and the throat height is 1.12 inches. This versatile saw can easily transform into a hand saw. Simply detach the saw portion from the main unit for added flexibility. Powered by a 1.5 horsepower motor, it operates efficiently with either 110 or 220 volt capacity. It uses between 1.3 to 1.7 amps. It's designed to cut through a variety of materials, including tile, gold, silver, brass, bronze, aluminum, and stainless steel. You can even refine gold from its water bath. This saw comes complete with a standard ring blade, an integrated spotlight, a removable face shield, and a stabilizer foot. What we like. This ring saw offers a quieter operation with longer lasting parts, making it ideal for extended use. Its unique feature allows it to be converted into a hand saw for added versatility. If you work with a variety of metals and need a reliable, adaptable cutting tool, this saw is an excellent option. What people say. Cut straight with practice and not having to constantly rotate the workpiece is wonderful. Much less messy than other saws with very directed and contained water flow. Works beautiful and not very loud. Bought to cut tile, glass, natural stone, marble etc. for stained glass precision cuts as well as cutting tile for intricate mosaic work. This saw is fantastic for making intricate curved cuts. Assembly is simple, and usage is straightforward. Number 3. RIKON Power Tools 10 Deluxe Bandsaw. Introducing the RIKON 10 Deluxe Bandsaw, a powerful tool designed for your workshop. It comes complete with a high-quality bandsaw blade to get you started right away. This bandsaw is equipped with a robust 12 HP, 5.5 amp motor that runs on 110V power. It offers two blade speed options, 1,515 or 3,280 feet per minute, for versatile cutting. The spacious table measures 13 to 34 x 12 to 12 inches, providing ample surface area for your projects. It can tilt 5 degrees to the left and 45 degrees to the right, allowing for precise angled cuts. A convenient fence measuring 12 to 14 x 2 to 38 inches is included for accurate guidance. It also features a 2 to 12 inch OD dust port to help keep your workspace clean. With a base size of 15 to 78W x 9 to 38D and an overall size of 34 to 14H x 21W x 16 to 14D, it offers a stable footprint without taking up excessive space. What we like. This deluxe bandsaw features a robust 12 HP motor and a generous 10-inch blade capacity. With two speed options and a large tilting table, it offers excellent control for intricate cuts. If you're looking for a powerful and precise bandsaw for woodworking projects, this model provides the performance and features you need. What people say. The Taurus 3-ring saw is a powerful and versatile tool for cutting glass, tile, and other materials. Its unique ring saw design allows for smooth and precise cuts, even on intricate shapes. The saw features a built-in water reservoir that keeps the blade cool and reduces dust, ensuring a clean and safe working environment. The adjustable speed control allows you to customize the cutting speed for different materials, and the included accessories make it easy to get started right away. I was impressed with the accuracy and ease of use of the Taurus 3-ring saw. The blade glides through materials effortlessly, and the integrated light illuminates the cutting area, making it easier to follow lines. The saw is also surprisingly quiet for its power, and the sturdy construction gives me confidence in its durability. Number 2. Gemini Standard Diamond Blade Kit for Taurus 3 and Apollo. Experience incredible strength and versatility with this blade replacement. You already know how long-lasting these blades are, designed to withstand tough jobs. Thanks to its round design and 360-degree diamond coating, you can cut effortlessly in any direction. It grinds the edge as it cuts, leaving a perfectly smooth finish. This is a genuine replacement blade, manufactured by Gemini to be identical to the original. It features a precise .072 diameter for optimal performance. This kit includes everything you need for a seamless replacement. You'll find the standard grit blade, replacement orange grommets, and easy-to-follow installation instructions. Specifically designed for your Taurus 3 and Apollo saws, this blade ensures a perfect fit and reliable performance. Get back to your projects with confidence. What we like. This is a genuine replacement blade kit for the Taurus 3, featuring a 360-degree diamond coating for smooth, multi-directional cutting. It ensures a clean finish on your materials. If you own a Taurus 3 and need a durable, high-performance blade that allows for intricate cuts in any direction, this kit is the perfect fit. What people say. This keeps the blade running perpendicular to the table, thereby all but eliminating the side-to-side motion that ruins the belt and blade. This installed easily and has been an effective replacement. It is larger in profile and definitely works better in reverse than in forward gear. The jig is very helpful for me. Good quality, sturdy construction. Number 1. Taurus 3.0 and 2.2 ring saw replacement blade. Introducing the 5 to 3/4 inch replacement diamond coated blade for your Taurus 3.0 and 2.2 ring saw. This blade features a grit of 170, perfect for precise cutting. Experience unparalleled versatility with its multi-directional design. You can effortlessly cut glass in any direction you need. This is a seamless, stainless steel diamond-coated replacement blade. It's built to last and provide a smooth cutting experience. Find the best price on Amazon for this essential accessory. We believe every cent you pay should offer the most value. Enjoy peace of mind with our 2-year quality guarantee. Plus, we offer free returns for your convenience. What we like. This diamond-coated replacement blade offers seamless, multi-directional cutting for your ring saw. With a grit 170, it's designed for efficient material removal and a smooth finish. If you're looking for a reliable and cost-effective replacement blade that can handle glass and other materials with precision, this option provides excellent value. What people say. The Taurus 3-ring saw is a game-changer for glass cutting. Its powerful motor and precise blade system allow for intricate cuts with ease. I love how versatile the Taurus 3-ring saw is. It can handle various materials like glass, tile, and even stone, making it a great all-in-one tool for any crafter. The built-in water reservoir keeps the blade cool and dust down, ensuring a clean and safe cutting experience. The adjustable work surface also provides great stability. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.